Welcome friends. We, from the Learning Light team, are welcoming you to this series of containers. This playlist series is full of demonstrations and exciting journeys in the container world. We are providing the link of playlist in the description below. Starting from theories on containerization, we will start writing Docker files and will play with different container engines and registries. We will slowly go deep into Docker Composer, Docker Swarm, etc. It does not matter whether you are a DBA or a front-end Java developer, architect or a data scientist, this course will be for all of you. We strongly believe that having deep knowledge in the container is essential today, irrespective of your background. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it right now. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever there is a new content available. So, please stay tuned and tighten your seat belts. Be with us and let's get started with the incredible journey to the world of containers.